This is the PowerConnect range from OE Electrics. It offers end-to-end power distribution from the mains board through to the desktop. I'm going to go through each of the elements in the PowerConnect range to give you guys an idea of how it works. So let's start with the MDB. This is the element that connects to the mains board via these home run cables. The MDB is available as a 6 or 9 outlet. Each one is rated at 32 amps and individually wired with 6mm LSOH cable. We then have a selection of cables that connect into the MDB and distribute power to various areas of the office. As this is a modular wiring system, you can see these are flexible cables, which gives the installer a lot of flexibility to get around ducting and other obstacles that may be in the way. The extender cables then connect into our PDU, which is available with 2, 4, 6 or 8 outlets, and you can think of each of those outlets as running to a desk space in an office. Now, we also have in here twin RCBOs, each one rated at 16 amp. That's a key element because if there ever is an issue or maintenance work in a part of the office, we can just disconnect the power for that element of the office while keeping everyone else working. So into the PDU, we will plug something like our power bar unit here, which plugs directly in and offers convenient under-desk power to the user, into which we can then also plug a desktop type electric solution like this Pluto unit here, which conveniently plugs into the side of the power bar without taking up any of the available outlets. So as you might be starting to see, the PowerConnect range is a very simple plug and play solution for powering an office. And that can significantly cut down on install times, but also gives you the flexibility to rearrange the space either before install if the specs change or down the line as new tenants come into the space. So you may be thinking, at what point does the power go from underneath the floor to above the floor and then underneath the desk? And to answer that, we use our 5-inch grommet here and we connect that with our Pathfinder system. Now, Pathfinder has 2 compartments so you can separate your power and data, and it offers continuous containment when it can be clipped in to the grommet below, which I like to say makes it Henry proof. And to install the cables into the Pathfinder system, we also have a unique solution for that. Our zipper tool here allows us to connect wires, and I'll use this example here, using the zipper straight into the Pathfinder tool, which, as you can see, is a very simple operation and cuts down significantly again on install time. And at this point, again, with it being a plug-and-play system, we can simply connect the cable into our PDU that we discussed earlier, which is located on the underside of the desk and then can distribute power to each of the power units on that desk as needed. There may be situations, of course, where you don't need to power a desking type environment. In the modern office, we have breakout areas, soft seating areas, rail carriages, or it may even be powering the office printer. And for that, we have our powered grommet here, which comes with a UK socket and then the option of 2 Cat5 or Cat6 data connectors on the back as well. And similar to the grommet that we showed earlier, the powered grommet can combine with the Pathfinder system for continuous containment of those cables coming up through the floor. The powered grommet is also pre-wired with a T connector, meaning that you can come off the existing system and power multiples of these powered grommets simply with ease. The grommet offers a very clean alternative to a floor box, which, as we know, can accumulate dirt and grime, and the lids tend to go missing frequently. And just one grommet can replace up to 3 floor boxes for a cluster of 6 desks. In summary, the PowerConnect range offers unrivaled flexibility and can save significant time and labour on install compared to conventional systems. It's also a very adaptive solution. As we know, office changes can happen regularly, and if that's the case, we can simply unplug the 4-way PDU and upgrade to an 8-way PDU, for example, with minimum fuss, minimum inconvenience, and no underfloor works. You may also have a project that has existing bus bar already in place. In that example, it would eliminate this first half of the system, but you could still utilise the PDU and benefit from the remaining PowerConnect solution. Save time, save labour, save money with PowerConnect.